How to apply for online programs at ACT. Step 1. Visit the ACT website. Go to act.edu.et. Under Academic Programs, check the Online Program Modality departments. Step 2. Start your application. Click Ready to get started. Step 3. Create your account. Fill in the required information to create your account and log in. Step 4. Fill personal details. Start your application by entering your personal details accurately. Step 5. Complete enrollment details. Fill in your enrollment information. For online programs, you must take the digital literacy exam. Confirm that you meet the online program requirements. Reliable internet connection, at least 2 megabits per second, laptop or desktop, at least Core i5, webcam available. You must score 60% or higher in the digital literacy exam to be accepted. Step 6. Add emergency contact. Provide an emergency contact with complete details. Step 7. Upload academic credentials. Attach a single PDF file containing official degree and transcript. Step 8. Pay application fee. Pay 1,000 Ethiopian birrs using Telebirr and attach the payment receipt. Then click Submit. Once submitted, your online program application is complete.